If you are facing an error on Valorant that's showing you that a critical error has occurred, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you some steps that can solve this error message to occur on your game. First, you have to exit from your game. Then, make sure that you exit from Riot Client too. This will stop Riot Client and Vanguard to running in background of your PC. So make sure that these two is not running in background of your PC. Now go to Task Manager and search for Riot Client and Valorant. When you find Riot Client and Valorant in the Task Manager, simply right click on it and click on End Task. Do the same process like this. Also, you can left click on it and you will find at the bottom right corner End Task button. Simply click on it. Now search for system configuration and here it is. Simply click on it, and from here you just need to go to service. The services section, you will find scroll down and here you will find VGC. Simply uncheck this and click on apply. First click on apply, then click on OK. Now click on OK, then you can restart your PC. Also, if you want to exit without restart, then you have to restart later after finishing the rest of steps. Now click on window button and simply search for device manager. Click on it, and from here you will find display adapter. Select the display driver. Now click on update driver and browse my computer for driver. Now you have to click on let me pick this option and pick the best model or updated model that you have, then select it and simply click on next. Now you have to select the device driver you want to install on this hardware that are most updated for you. After that, simply click on the restart button to restart your PC. You must need to restart your PC after completing the rest of steps that we have shown earlier in this video. That's how you can solve this type of annoying problem. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.